Good morning, everybody. I decided, you might remember, to do a Monday morning rev up rather than a Friday wrap up. And the reason for that is simple. And that is, at the end of the week, we're probably going to say, oh, well, I should have done this. I should have done that. Why didn't I do this? Why didn't I do that? So simple idea is, why not do something that's going to be like really encouraging for you, for the business? What might that be? So for that, remember, checklist is it's not goal setting. Checklisting is just making tasks, activities and ticking them off. It's better than nothing, but it's not going to do the job of planning where you and your business need to be. So going forward, what might be 3 things you're going to focus on? Would it be the time you want back from your business? Would it be the money you're going to make? That's the profit, not the revenue. Or would it be the scale, namely the size of your business? Make your mind up. Pick one of those in the beginning to focus on. For me, it was, only once or twice it was really about money. And then I saw that actually I was making the money, but I wasn't getting the life back. So be clear what you want for yourself, which means you need to get clear on your values. I think that's enough for a wrap up. Don't wait till the end of the week to do what you're going to say at the end of the week you should have done at the beginning of the week and going forward. I think that's enough for now. Can you see the beautiful sea, the ocean in the background? I'm sure you can. Enough for now.